Hello and welcome to the Cougartron InoxMuscle unboxing video. Here we have the sturdy case, and inside you will find the instruction manual, which is a comprehensive guide on how to use the machine, and also the warranty information. This will entitle you to a 2-year warranty. Next, we have the weld cleaner itself. This machine has both cleaning and polishing modes with a digital display and only weighs 3.7 kilos, so it's perfect for transporting between jobs. The machines are available in 240 and 110 volt, and that makes it an ideal tool for both site and workshop use. Here are the earth cables and brush handle. These have dedicated ports on the front of the machine and plug in with a turn and twist to ensure a secure connection. The heavy-duty earth clamp will provide an excellent grounding to the workpiece. This is important to guarantee optimal performance when cleaning. As you can see, the brush handle has an orange cable, which makes it really easy to identify when you're working and you need to grab the brush quickly. Both leads are made using a durable cable that will withstand everything you have to throw at it and ensure the machine stays fully functioning to its best ability at all times. The power cable connects to the back of the machine and has a separate isolation switch and easy access fuse compartments. Here is the microfiber cloth, which comes in very handy when wiping away the neutralised solution after cleaning. And here is the brush holder. This has an insulated shroud that allows you to expose the required amount of brush, which will actually help prolong the life of your brushes. And the brushes are also individually packed into resealable cases. This means they can remain clean and in a good condition for as long as possible. This all screws together, connects to the handle, and as you can see, cleaning couldn't be simpler. There is also a USB stick, which has a digital version of the manual, should you need it. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Please leave your comments and questions below.